Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you are doing research in Feedly. You find articles, you need to keep competitor analysis, market reports, technical documentation. These aren't just read later items. So these are permanent reference materials that belong in your knowledge base. You could copy and paste, but that's so messy and you lose the formatting. What if you could send articles directly to Evernote with one click? Well, you actually can. According to Feedly's documentation, you can connect your Evernote account to Feedly and save any article as a new note in your preferred notebook. So the article's content, title, and link are all preserved. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the Evernote integration in Feedly. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So let's say you are on desktop or web. All you're gonna do, go through the profile bubble, look for settings, saving and sharing, find the Evernote icon in the sharing tools, click connect and authorize. But here and today we are on an Android device. So we're gonna open Feedly, make sure we are fully logged in, tap on this left menu panel, go all the way to integrations, and here it goes. This is Evernote for you. Go ahead and tap on connect on Evernote, authorize access to your Evernote account, and that's the whole idea. You can now save articles to Evernote, choose the notebook for Pro users as well, since Feedly Pro users can specify which Evernote notebook to save to using the API. You can pass a notebook by basically name. If you pass by name and the notebook doesn't exist, Feedly will just create it. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.